na tayong triangle dun sa daily. So, usually ito, ginagamit nating sign as a buy sign. Mas okay yan pagka sa lower time frame mo titignan. So, mas bumababa yung buy sign natin. Alright. So, kung mapapansin niyo last time, sinilip natin, may nagpasilip dito, Tito, may flag sa 1 hour time frame. Right? So, nung kinuha natin yung measured move, nasa 69,800 level. So, hindi ko alam kung kaya nating butin yan. This is a game of probability. But based on TPI, yung cloud natin, nag-transition na tayo from red to green sa 1 hour time frame. If you'll remember, last week, diba, we were discussing sa 1 hour time frame, sinabi ko sa inyo, iwasan nyo mag-short pag bumababad na dyan yung price. Kasi baka mag-flip. No? May chance yan na mag-flip into green. Right? So, yun lang iiwasan mo. Pagkasa mo na mag-short. Once it flip, there is a, again, probability na tumuloy yung trend. Okay, so ngayon po, sa 1 hour time frame, iwan tong cloud natin, lalaki yan. Pwedeng humabol. Two things, pwedeng humabol or pwede ring balikan or i-touch ito, i-retest ito. So for me, ako itong 1 hour time frame ito na cloud, manipis pa sa akin to. Kung mag-retest ito, most likely that's a good sign, no? That's a good area. Itong area po ng 65.4. Yan, yung previous resistance. Look at this, resistance, nag-break, mag-retest dyan, sakto, papasok yan dun sa cloud natin. Most likely, yung mga tipinatics natin will put buy order there and then pag pitik, tipi ka agad. Kasi yung 1 hour, di ba, sabi natin, that's for leverage trade. So, konting pitik, baka hindi ka na umabot sa pivot, nakatipi ka na rito. That's how you're going to use tipay. No?